Hi everyone, here comes my next video. Recently, Plum had their 10th birthday sale with an amazing offer buy two get two. So I purchased few product and I think the sale is still going on. So let's open them up. First, we have this 10% niacinamide serum with rice water. I have heard a great review about this product. I was previously using Derma serum, which I felt heavy and it took some times to absorb. So I wanted a change. I decided to try this one. I use it once before making this video and it's very lightweight and absorb quickly. I'm definitely loving this serum. So next we have this toner. A friend recommended it and she loves it, so I thought why not to try this. So I purchased this one. Now moving on to the next product, which we have this body mist. Plum perfume and mist is too good, guys. I will definitely recommend to try this perfume and other fragrance. Body mist perfume is also too good. Lastly, I bought this body scrub. I think it's a new launch. This one cost me 525 rupees and I love trying different body scrubs, so this time I picked this one. As you can see, small particles is there that seem perfect for exfoliating, and I think now it's not available. Anyway, I will give the link in the description box, you can check it out. As a bonus, I received this three free products: a lipstick, a liquid lipstick, and a magnet. Luckily, the shades are perfect for me and it will suit both dusky and fair skin tone. The crayon lipstick is so smooth and glides so easily. And yeah, that's my honest review of this Plum product. I am very happy with my purchase and highly recommend the perfume. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.